So, make a start for today. Pencil out where we're going to put everything. So your board, I'm going to put up here. And then to make it easy, I'm going to put a socket down here. Sugar. Right. And then the light switch will be over here. Light switch. And then we're going to put a light up here, a light up there, and then a light around here somewhere. We'll have it here. Oh, and also, nearly forgot, this is why I mark it out. Double outside socket, just double socket, just there. Right. This is why I mark it out, because I nearly forget everything. And a light, a centre light. That's where we're going to put that. Let's get cracking. And now back to the wholesalers, because the customers also said, can you replace these garden lights while you're here? Yeah, sure, suppose I can.